Just doing a teardown on another oddball solid state drive, and this is a Pioneer branded one with model number APS-SL3N-256. Has a capacity of 256 gigabytes and was made in March 2021. And this is an all plastic solid state drive. And basically it looks like the lid is a snap fit object. I'll grab my gloves. I think the easiest way to crack it open is just going to be to twist it until it pops. Nope. Nope. The other possibility is we chisel it open with a hammer. If I had a blade handy, I think that would work as well, but I don't. And see if I can just bust this corner loose. There we go. I'll be surprised if the drive itself is screwed down. Got large locking clips around the perimeter. If the drive is screwed down, that would be really surprising, I think, as I already said. And it's not. It went flying out. Now there are screw holes to mount it though. Interesting. It does have a Phison controller. PS3111-S11-13. And then we got all these mystery chips that seem to be custom. TT18G53AWN. And there's a total of 8 of them for 256 gigs, so I think that should be 32 gigabytes each. Plus whatever over provisioning they do, I guess. So I don't know how much over provisioning these budget solid state drives have, but I don't see any memory for caching unless that's built in the chip. That chip is really small though. But yeah, interesting. I wasn't sure what to expect in a Pioneer branded solid state drive, because as far as I know, this is the same Pioneer that makes stereos of all things. So yeah, I don't know. But thanks for watching.